We got an interesting one today. So I got called over to this brand new build, brand new carpet. So you would expect the carpets to be pretty much spotless. But yeah, there's all these orange stains throughout most of the rooms, just all over the place. No idea what they are, what they're from. There's also these black sticky, goopy kind of marks throughout most of the rooms as well. Anyway, we're cleaning the carpets here. Uh, I'm actually really surprised how dirty the water was at the end. Like you'll see the dirty water dump at the end of the video. Actually just surprised how dirty it was. I've never seen new carpets this dirty before. But these orange stains, they come out no problem. As you can see here, all gone. Looks good. Then we've got these black marks here. Just a couple drops of gum remover. Don't use any of those spot stain removers. It's not going to do anything to those black gummy bits. You just need a couple drops of the gum remover and lightly agitate it. You don't want to scrub it in because it's going to untwist the carpet. Here we need a couple more drops. Very lightly agitate that in. This chemical is quite strong, so if you use too much, it's actually going to damage the carpet. So just a couple drops is all you need, and then go over it a few times, and it all comes out perfectly. So that part looks good, and yeah, looks good there. And the dirty water dump, have a look at this. Now that's crazy. Look at that. It's not the dirtiest I've seen, but for brand new, that's crazy.